Yep. So hard to walk and concentrate on holding this camera, but see how much bigger my hole got. Big ass hole. Rocks in the middle. It's probably from there to there, it's probably about 10 foot. 9 to 10 foot. My second cleanup wasn't as awesome as my first cleanup. Is that heart rock? Nope. It's still pretty good. For a high, I'm on fire. Oh yeah. I'm gonna come back tomorrow. I'm gonna go ahead and get out of here so my wetsuit has a chance to dry and shit. And got a few hours to heal up for tomorrow. Alright, y'all. Not a bad little day. Y'all take it easy. You already. Peace. I'm out.